Hey, what's going on, family? It's DJ over here at Pipit Fx. I'm just bringing you a nice little setup that I executed last night during the Asia session. It actually finished out early this morning with New York Open. So I'm just going to walk through my mental state or whatever, my approach to this setup. So typically when it comes to our live sessions over here at AJTFX and Pipit FX, we pretty much like to keep it simple and sweet. So for these setups for our trading system, we typically look for very simple moves in the market, right? So as you can see, we do have the striker system. It's this vertical line that shows you selling or buying momentum or bias in the market. Part of our trading system also, we have our pullback zones, and then we have our pullback zones right here, and then we also have our structure levels that we also use for our one-on-one strategy. All right, so with that in mind, using our trading strategy or trading system, this is what you will be looking for basically. All right, you'll wait for the market to provide you with a bias or a momentum, a direction for the market, right? So right here, as I was looking, as the market was approaching last night, right, I saw that price had came down. It pulled into this order block area, so it found some support, right? I see that the market found some support down here. Okay, let's actually make this a little darker. Yeah, okay. So I noticed that the market found some support down there, right? And I was looking for a break of some type of structure, right? So if we actually rewind the time back, play these bars back, you will see that this is actual structure level, that it was broken over here, right? So after we see that price is pulled down into this zone, found some support inside the order block right here and over here, right, on a larger time frame, right? So as soon as I see price break above this level, the structure level, right, I'm looking for the bias, right? So we get a buy signal. This is kind of invalid. It's a bearish candle with a buy momentum signal, right? So what I would do, I would actually, personally, I would wait for the next one. And that's exactly what I did. I waited for the next one over here. We got a buy signal. And what I did is basically we wait for a break of structure, we look for momentum bias, which right here, we look for a break of structure, and that's where we got the break of structure right here, right? So we got the buy, we have the break of structure right here, and this is where I entered the market after it pulled back into these zones over here. All right, so that's my entry right there on both of those positions. Okay, so that's basically how our trading system works. We have these tools and we have trading strategies that we use these tools and the indicators to apply our strategy. And that's basically, it's pretty simple. That's basically what we look for. Even if you look over here to the left, you notice we have the bias right here. We kind of have a break of structure, these lows, these temporary lows, higher lows, right? Was broken right here with this. So we see price pull back into our pullback zones, right? And then we take it down, right? So with that being said, as you can see, we just run it through. At this point, I was up like 2% on my account right here at this high. But I knew that because we have these breaks of structure, we have these highs being taken out, right? I know that price is most likely going to come down, fake out, take out some buyers, right? Whoever these buyers are that have their stops below these lows, these temporary lows, I knew that with price pushing through the way that it was slowly but surely building up, it actually popped, right? And then it pulled right back down and take out these lows. And I knew that, all right, if it's going to take out these lows, what I can do is I can bring my stop loss below this candle formation down here, these levels right here, right? Just below this level. And I believe I had my stop loss down here, actually. I believe that's where I had, because I scaled it, I had 2 entries, and I believe I had both of my stop losses right here at this low, okay? Then so all we do is continue to go. I'm not getting scared. You would think, oh well, you have a bias, new bias, right? We have somewhat of a breaker structure who's taking out these lows. You would think, all right, well, are you going to take this? No, I'm not going to take that short. You know why? Because on the higher time frame, you would have seen that that the market is still pretty bullish, right? It was setting up for a bullish move, because I noticed on the daily time frame, price over here was actually wicking into an order block on the daily time frame. So I knew that with that buying pressure on a daily time frame, I knew that this was pretty good support. So I had my stops below this low, and I felt as though if it was going to break this low, it's going to push and break this low and then continue down to these other levels, right? So I ended up holding strong, right? You would think, oh my goodness, you would have thought right here, I'm ready to just close out, but I was just like, no, let's hold. I believe in my analysis. The strategy works, is proven, and I believe in my analysis, which all works in confluence, right? So with that being said, we just continue this play to the upside, right? All night. So basically, this is where I ended up actually taking I ended up moving my profit, moving my stop loss and profit. And I believe not too long after this, because I went to sleep around, let's say 7. Yeah, around 7 o'clock, I went to sleep. So yeah, somewhere around here, I went to sleep, and I was up like 2.5%. And then I moved my stops into profit, and then I just let it rock out pretty much. And as you can see, the market just kept going, and here goes market open, smashing my take profits. I believe because the market was moving so weird and the spread was kind of funny, actually my positions got taken out down here somewhere, or it's like somewhere around here. Let's see, 829. I remember it said on 829 my positions were closed. So somewhere around here, this wick right here is where my positions actually closed out. I had to close out manually because my targets weren't hit. Well, they were hit, they just didn't, my exits didn't get executed for some reason. So I ended up closing out. So yeah, that's the play for the day. Now is it, easy said, easy done, right? Simple strategy, simple system. Come join us over here on our live sessions. We'll be having live sessions every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11 o'clock. You can't beat it. Come in, take a couple trades, be patient, wait for a few good setups, take those, and then we go about our day. All right, that's what we like to do over here at Pipit Fx and AGTFX. So with that being said, definitely like, subscribe, join the community, join our Discord, join the family. We're all here to help each other become profitable traders and knowledgeable traders. All right, so with that being said, I bid you adieu. Farewell, people. Until next time. Peace.